I'm the Honorable Minister of Environment and Forest, Shri Ishwar Kandreji. When I came in last August, I have requested what Andhra Pradesh is facing for the last 30 years. In last 20 years, we've been we felt the need to mitigate elephant and man conflict and how to go about it. And Karnataka government has done an excellent job having more than 6,000 elephants and the land areas, the forest areas are the same. Yet they have the mitigation measures are excellent, and we sort of learning from Karnataka government, and that's how our PCC of Forest Department officials had conveyed it to me the moment I have taken charge as Forest Minister of Forest. So the moment I approached Honorable Minister for Forest and Environment, Shri Ishwar Kandreji, with a large heart and with a big heart, and he welcomed us, and whatever is needed, he without hesitation, without any second thought, he gave us, and with the blessings of Honorable CM Shri Siddaramaiah ji. And it is a wonderful gesture, and we are grateful to it. And it is not just about apart from sharing of Kunki elephants, transferring of Kunki elephants, we also had a deeper knowledge sharing also, and 9 point knowledge sharing was also there, is also there. And I'm grateful to Honorable CM and Honorable Minister for that.
Do you see this as a new beginning between both of our states?
Yeah, exactly. That's what even Honorable Deputy Chief Minister Shri Shivkumar ji also saying about Tungabhadra waters to speak to Honorable Chief Minister Shri Chandrababu Naidu ji of AP. And definitely I'll take this information, I'll take this, whatever the request has been put across, and I'll take it forward. I'll make sure that I'll mediate whatever is needed between both the states.
How many elephants had you previously requested, and how many have
No,
been
in fact, we didn't request anything. I said this is what the conflict. It is with their large-heartedness, and even if it is 2 elephants, I think we had more than given. In fact, Honorable Minister and the Chief Minister blessed us with 6 elephants. I think to understand me, in fact, we never had any idea. It's very difficult. We are seeking it. We can't demand. It's the only thing we conveyed, and with a large heart, he gave us 6 elephants, and 2 of them are about to come. And we're looking forward. And personally, one more time, I would like to convey that they will be taken care well. Personally, time to time, I'll look into the health of the elephants and how well they will be taken.
What special arrangements have you done for the elephants at your place, sir? And where will
At least already a lot of training camps happened between Mahouts also came here. It's been happening for a long time, because before transferring of elephants, Mahouts should be trained. I think around 25 to 26, 25 Mahouts have been trained already, and a lot of camps have been set up already. And that's what in fact, we had 2 Kunki elephants which have become old.
Sorry?
We had 2 Kunki elephants. We have 2 Kunki elephants, but they have become old. They don't have the energy. That's why we sought for.
Where will they be in Andhra, sir?
This will be partly in Chittoor and partly in North Coastal Andhra.
And what is which is the area of conflict you want?
Primarily, we are looking at Chittoor, Kuppam, that part, that way. And later we'll go to Palakonda and North Coastal Andhra.
Sir, camera. Sir, ఇప్పుడు ఈ ఏనుగుల్ని అక్కడ తీసుకొని పోయి ఎలా పారేస్తారు? What are you planning? ఇప్పుడు దాన్ని ఏం చేయాలి?
And ఇవేం చేస్తాయంటే the moment ఇవేం చేస్తాయంటే ఈ ఎలిఫెంట్స్ తీసుకెళ్తే ఈ వైల్డ్ ఎలిఫెంట్స్ కి వాటి పాత్ ఉండదు. ఇట్స్ ప్రాబ్లం ఏంటంటే ఇవి మనం వాటి అడవిలోకి వెళ్ళి మనం నివసిస్తున్నాం. We go into their territory and we disrupting them. So it's because it is their corridor. This is an elephant corridor. We are because of population explosion or population increase, and we are going into their territory. And we have to, for human habitation, we are making way into the forest, into their own natural habitation. So for that reason, I think all the wild elephants are coming in to train them, to make sure their paths are seen. These Kunki elephants will guide the wild elephants, make sure that they don't come this way. And apart from that, there's a lot of fencing had to be done, and a lot of railway fencing had to be done. Multiple measures are there.
Sir, thank you, sir. Thank you.
ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಿರ್ಭೀತಿಯಿಂದ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪರವಾಗಿ.